Okay guys, so we're going to run through a simple nail art tutorial, and these nails were created with our minute kit using the long coffin and filing them down into shape. So first, after applying, we go in with primer to keep our polish from chipping, and we're going to go in with a super thin layer of white gel polish and then cure that for 60 seconds. So here I thought I was going to go in with a water slide decal, but I decided not to in the end, so base coating was never necessary. So now we're going to go in over our white gel polish with our diamond gel non-wipe top coat. And we're going to cure this in our LED UV lamp for 10 seconds only. Only a partial cure, leaving the top coat still a little tacky. And we're going to rub in our Paradise pigments. Now, just to apply them to the nail is not good enough. You need to make sure that you burnish them in very, very smooth. It creates a more metallic and smooth look instead of glitter. So here we are at the end. We're gonna go in with a old non-wipe top coat because you don't want to contaminate a brand new one with pigments. And then I go in with little oblong Frenchies and just go over that same routine with the little white French, and boom, there.